And speaking on Dharani, sir, which has been named as Bhumata, I may recall, sir, in the Congress manifesto, sir, page number 28, it is clearly written, sir. It is clearly written over here. I do not want to read out everything, sir. It is clearly written, sir. Sir, they had promised that Honorable Minister Saab, in his statement, he started that criticizing the BRS government. Sir, आप भी तो वादा करे थे कि आने के 100 दिन में करेंगे. आप भी करे थे, सर. ठीक है, मैं मानता हूं कि असेंबली इलेक्शन के बाद इमीडिएटली पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन आया. कम से कम अब 100 दिन में तो आप धरनी को सही करिए, ये इसको सही करिए. सर, क्या है बताइए? So many people are losing their land. Sir, I'll read it. I'll read it for you. Sir, I'll read it, sir. I'll read it. Page number, sir, I'll read it, sir. Page number 28. Sir, 8. Land administration, sir. Dharani portal will be replaced, everything, transparency, ye, wo sab hai. The last sentence. Land with clear ownership title added under the restricted category. Listen, sir. Now listen. Lands with clear ownership title added under the restricted category will be removed within 100 days of assuming power. Sir, I don't come just like that, sir. I do a research. I know it's your manifesto. 8 महीने बहुत बड़ा टाइम है आपके लिए, कहां से याद रखेंगे? मगर मुझे याद है, सर, मुझे याद है. भूल गए आपका ये मैनिफेस्टो. So that is why I say कि please don't interrupt me. Sir, you interrupt and simply, उसके बाद आपको शर्मिंदा होना पड़ता है. सर, 100 दिन में करेंगे आपने वादा किया था. मैं कह रहा हूं कि नहीं हुआ है, आने वाले 100 दिन में कर दो. मगर आप बोल रहे नहीं, हम वादा नहीं करे. तो मैं बता रहा हूं वादा है.
మీరు చెప్తోండ్రో షర్మిందా ఏదేముంది దీంట్లో? షర్మిందా ఏం లేదు, షర్మిందా ఏం లేదు. మీరు చెప్పారు, డెఫినెట్గా మేము చేయడం కోసం ప్రయత్నం చేస్తుంది తప్ప దీంట్లో మేము షర్మిందా కావాల్సింది ఏం లేదు దీంట్లో. కరెక్ట్, ఎస్, విల్ డూ దట్. అందుకోసం ఎలా పెట్టింది.
सर, मैं हरगिज और खतई नहीं चाहूंगा कि मेरे दोस्त शर्मिंदा हो, क्योंकि वो मेरे दोस्त हैं, पुराने दोस्त हैं. मैं शर्मिंदा नहीं कर रहा हूं. अगर आप फख्र करना चाहते हैं 100 दिन में नहीं करे हैं, तो प्लीज टेक प्राइड इन दैट. इट्स नॉट माई प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन टेक एन प्राइड इन दैट, सर. आई डोंट वांट टू रीड इट आउट, सर. Sir, I don't want to read it out. If you want me to read it out, I'll read the entire thing, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, page number 28. Dharani portal will be replaced with more transparent new Bhumata portal and undertake a comprehensive land survey based on which the land ownership rights will be allocated and provided a remedy to all those farmers who suffered due to Dharani portal. Will implement Koneru Ranga Rao Land Committee recommendations. Abhudhar card will be issued to every farmers after survey of each land holding in the state. Establishment of land commission for resolving land ownership issues and ensuring the land ownership rights are ensured to all landowners. Will provide ownership title to 25 lakh acre of land distributed to the poor under the land reforms undertaken by the Congress government. Congress party is committed to achieve conflict-free Telangana with respect to land ownership right by bringing a transparent new online portal in place of Dharani in the next 5 years. Land with clear ownership titles added under the restricted category will be removed within 100 days. I have read, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Sir, a land commission will be established for resolving land ownership issues and ensuring land ownership rights to all landowners. Land with clear ownership, as I said, in 100 days will be cleared. A card will be given. Koneru Ranga Rao Land Committee for 25 acres, sir. Sir, it is true that many farmers have faced issues for updating their land records on Dharani portal online, and they are unable to get assistance under Raitu Bandhu and Raitu Bima. Sir, and I would say out of many reasons which I do not want to go, one of the major reasons for you coming to power and BRS losing the power is Dharani. It is a fact, sir. We have to accept this. Whether my friends from BRS, they also need to accept this. And you also need to accept this. Sir, they lost the elections, you have won the elections. You shouldn't lose the ground by continuing this. It's high time you need to do the necessary correction, sir. People are worried, sir. People want this Dharani to be changed. My only question and submission is change it fast. जो लोगों को नुकसान हो रहा है, सर, जिनको बी में डाल दिए आप, लाकर ये लोग डाले थे, वो आज भी बी में है, परेशान है. Sir, that is why I am saying, sir. Sir, they also face difficulties in selling their agricultural land and obtaining loans from banks, sir. Sir, there are many details, sir. I don't want to, sir. एक और एक दिन आप इस पे रखिए, सर. एक और एक दिन रखिए, sir. I have all the details. कौन कितनी जमीन किसके नाम पे रजिस्टर करा धरनी आने के बाद, I'll give that details also, sir. और उस वक्त कई लोग शर्मिंदा हो जाएंगे जो आवाजें कर रहे हैं, खामोश बैठे. मैं ऐसी नहीं आता हूं, पूरी तैयारी से आता हूं. Sir, I stand and when I speak, sir, I make sure that I speak the truth. I make sure that I speak on fact and figure, sir. I speak with references